Oh, no, I've skipped one. Mental confusion caused by information not arrayed in the mind in theory structures, creating sound generalizations developed in response to the question, why? Also misinfluence from information that apparently but not really answers the question, why? Also failure to obtain deserved influence caused by not properly explaining why. Well, we all know people who flunk, and they try and memorize, and they try and spout back, and it doesn't work. The brain doesn't work that way. You've got to array facts on theory structures answering the question, why? If you don't do that, you cannot handle the world. And now we get to Feuerstein, who was the general counsel of Salomon when Goodfriend made his big error. And Feuerstein knew better. He told Goodfriend, you have to report this as a matter of morality and prudent business judgment. He said, it's probably not illegal, there's probably no legal duty to do it, but you have to do it as a matter of prudent conduct and proper dealing with your main customer. And he said that to Goodfriend on at least 2 or 3 occasions. And he stopped. And of course the persuasion failed. And when Goodfriend went down, Feuerstein went with him. And it ruined a considerable part of Feuerstein's life. Well, Feuerstein was a member of the Harvard Law Review, made an elementary psychological mistake. You want to persuade somebody, you really tell them why. And what have we learned in lesson 1? Incentives really matter. He should have told, and vivid evidence really works. He should have told Goodfriend, you are likely to ruin your life and disgrace your family and lose your money. And is Mosier worth this? I know both men, that would have worked. So Feuerstein flunked elementary psychology, this very sophisticated, brilliant lawyer. But don't you do that. It's not very hard to do, just to remember that why is terribly important. Other normal limitations of sensation, memory, cognition, and knowledge, well, I don't have time for that.